Please subscribe.
I don't believe it. A Ferrari 250 GTO. Here? Here? It's still beautiful. I think I found it. Right there, under the paint. The rust is heavier here. We'll need a full panel replacement. Yeah. And reinforce the chassis around the door hinge points. I'll mark that on the plans.
Okay, let's get her inside. Take it slow.
Right, okay.
Right, here she comes. Watch the fender.
You see that crack right there? It's deeper than I thought.
Yes, I see it.
We need to reinforce this section immediately. The reading is 3.7, just as we suspected.
Yeah.
Okay, note that down. Where are we seeing the most corrosion?
I'm Rex, so the fort by the bättre and start obtaining. Vi ser min ut actually just been it bäst som kan den. On a take out what's in private say.
Look at the rust on this strut.
This bushing is completely shot, too.
No saving these, we'll need to order a new set. Check the fluid leakage here.
The key is the engine rebuild. We need to focus on this section right here to get the performance back.
Right, and the suspension, looking at these original schematics. Line it up here, that's it. Perfect. I'll get the torque wrench. Nice and tight. Okay, one down, one to go. All right, that looks secure. Now, for the lines. Keep it steady, align the flange. Almost there. Push it in. Good. Got it.
Perfect gap within spec. Nice work. Now check the top.
Keep it even, don't miss that seam. Got it. Check the texture here. Adding more water, almost ready for inspection. Hold it steady. Aligning the top now.
Gotcha.
Just a little to the right. Looks good.
Okay, switches tested, check. Headlights are on, clear. All systems online.
She runs! Yes! Oh my God. Beautiful.
Perfect. She's running beautifully. Absolutely. It sounds magnificent. Couldn't have done it without the team.
The oil level is good, Marco. Okay, I've adjusted the timing here. Let's see if that holds the pressure.
Perfect. It's ready.
From a forgotten wreck to Concours champion, the 2-year journey.
It looks like she's ready. A true masterpiece. Years of work, all worth it.